Hi friends, I'm Kelsey with Two Structures Homes. I am out here in Monroe, and that is a community in the Yukon city, and it's Piedmont Schools. This neighborhood has some great features. If you're looking for amenities in a neighborhood, it has a park, it has a basketball court, it has a pool and a clubhouse, and it has walking trails as well. But we have a few houses for sale in here, and I want to take you through this Louie plan and show you what all it has to offer you. So the great thing about this house is that it is neighbors to the community playground and basketball goals. So if you have kids and you want to just let them out the backyard and go play, you can always keep an eye on them, and they're just going to be right there. But this is the Louie floor plan. Again, it is a 3-bedroom with a study. So it could be 4 bedrooms if you needed it to be. It has 2 full bathrooms, 3-car garage, has a sprinkler system, and it is backing up to a creek area. So it's wooded back there, and I'll show you when we get inside. So if you don't know much about the Oklahoma City area, this community, Monroe, is in Yukon/Piedmont Schools, and it's really close to Oklahoma City. So it's northwest Oklahoma City, basically. You get that kind of small town feel. It's like, I think it was less than 30,000 people in this part of town. You're really close to the turnpike, so you can get anywhere really fast. But the great thing about this area is there's lots of great shopping that's easily accessible. There's great school districts and good restaurants. There's a lot of stuff to do, and you don't feel like you're in a big city, but you can get to the downtown area just really quick. So we are in the main living area. We just came in the front door. So the Louie floor plan, we did a few customizations to this one. We did vault the ceilings in this living room. We did do the tile flooring throughout. We have a covered back patio and 3-car garage. The great thing about this floor plan is you have this open living area, and so you can see everything going on at the same time. So if you have a party or anything, it's easy flow. And it's great for entertaining. So I'm gonna restart this video. I'm gonna take you through the house on a tour, and I wanna show some cool things about this particular house and then some things about the floor plan that you just might like. Come along. So walking up to the front porch, you have a nice size covered porch patio area. We did this really pretty blue door. Now, if this was your custom build, what front door color would you pick? We did blue on this one, but we could do green, we could do orange, we could do yellow, anything that you'd like. And then we have a keyless leg, and that comes standard on all of our homes. You can go to our website to see what all our standards are. Once you're inside, we have this little foyer area. To the left, we have the coat closet. We have a nice brushed nickel fixture, and then over here is that first bedroom or your front study. Let's go take a look at it. So you have the east-facing window, LED disc lights in all of these secondary bedrooms, and then a really great sized walk-in closet. Like, I'm fully inside this closet. We have the water shut off in here too, if you saw that. Okay, so past the foyer area is your main living space. This room is so nice with that vaulted ceiling, the ceiling fan, get that air moving. We have a stacked stone electric fireplace, and that electric fireplace has like glass in it, and it changes colors. It's really pretty. That is an upgrade, but it's a great feature. It puts off a little heat. It's not intended to heat the whole room or anything by any means, but it's pretty. We did a mantle on that. Mantles are a standard. And then we did these floating shelves in that little nook for your decorative items or your books or whatever you have there as like a collection holder. So in this living space, you're gonna go that way to the secondary bedrooms. You're gonna go over here to the primary bedroom, and then behind us is the garage and utility room. So I'm gonna take you through the primary bedroom. Let's go head that way. One of the things I love most about this floor plan is how the primary bedroom is on one side of the house, and then your secondary bedrooms are on the other. So you have that separation. Okay, here's your primary bedroom. We have this little sitting area nook here. We have these windows, they're transom. They are clear, but they are high enough that you're not gonna have to put like a window treatment on there, and they just let in a lot of light, and you can see the the branches in the winter and then the pretty green foliage in the spring, summer, and fall. We have a ceiling fan in here that is standard, and then we did a patio door out to the back patio, which I'll show you later on in the video. But if you're like me and you have little fur babies, you can just let them out here if they like to sleep in your room with you, and you don't have to go all the way around to the dining room to let them out, which is a huge inconvenience. Then facing this way, this is the doorway we just came into, and then this is your primary bathroom. Let's go check that out. Here you have your water closet, your clothing closet, and then to the left here is the walk-in shower. So the shower has some pebble floor tiles. We have a cam light vent to the exterior. We put the valve here to turn on the shower just right there around the corner, so you don't have to like step all the way in and risk getting yourself all wet while the water heats up. And so then again, that's the water closet, and then this is your primary closet. It's really huge. This is what $350,000 will buy you in Yukon as your primary closet. Okay, so that's the primary bedroom, and I mentioned the shower. And what I want to point out to you about this shower or the water features in this home is that our standard is a tankless hot water heater, and so you get endless hot water. So you're not filling up a tank of hot water and then everybody's taking a shower at once and it's giving you cold water. Once it gets hot, which it does take a little bit to get hot, it stays hot. It just keeps getting that hot water to you. So it's a great feature. Go look it up. We use Rinnai tankless water heaters. So go Google it up and see for yourself. We are back into the main living area, and I want to show you this hallway here to go to the garage. Before we get to the garage, right here to the right is your utility room. It's a nice size for your washer dryer. There you have the hanging racks and storage for your soaps and rags, and then a shelf above the hanging rod.
Garage entry open.
All right, this is your 3-car garage. We have your electrical panel here, the cutout for a storm shelter. Now, if you're not from Oklahoma and you're moving here and you're worried about tornadoes, I've lived here my whole life, and we have only been down at our storm shelter a handful of times, but we did put the cutout here so you can put up to a large storm shelter here. And then why we have it cut out like that, if you're not familiar, it's because we are using post-tension foundations as a standard. And so what that means is there's cables that are running through your foundation, and they're tensioned after the concrete gets poured, and that holds it all as one unit. So it all moves together with the movement of the ground, which is going to happen, but it just is more structurally sound. We have less warranties with that method. Now in here you'll also see we have our smart garage door opener on the double garage, and that is Wi-Fi capable. Like I said, and you can open it from anywhere via the app. We have your controls for the sprinkler system, and then here is that tankless I was talking about. It's a very interesting looking machine, but there it is. And we also have your attic access out here. Okay, that's the garage. Let's go ahead and go back in. Now, what you might notice right away is we have this little drop zone. So instead of doing a mud bench like we've done in this floor plan before, we made this a drop zone. So we have an outlet here. You can plug in your phones, put one of those like iPhone charger bases for your watch, your phone, your tablet, all of that can just be right here. And then you have your junk drawer, which that's what it would be in my house. And then some more storage there. Okay, let's cut across here. This is your dining room. We had a really cool fixture put in there. Now, if you don't like that fixture, that's okay. When you custom build with us on your lot, on your land, you can pick out your light fixture. And you can customize the paint colors however you like. This is a west-facing window on this specific plan. You can see out what's going on over there. Now, this dining room is really spacious. You can see this table and these chairs fit very comfortably in here. It's not going to be too tight, So if you have a hutch or a buffet you want to put here, there's going to be plenty of room for that. Let's go check out the back patio. I know you're going to love it. Okay, here's the back patio. We have an LED light, and you can see how big this is. I mean, it's covered, so you can sit out here in the rain and listen to the rain fall and just be totally relaxed out here. And then, like I said, there's turkeys out here. If you like the wildlife, keep the fence, make it like a barred fence or something like that so you can see this. That's a creek that runs down in there. It is December at the time of this shooting, so you can see the houses back in there and all of that great stuff. And then again, like I said earlier, there's your basketball court and there's your park. So if I had a fence here, I'd probably have a little gate right there so I could open that up and my kids could go right over there. And then here's the covered patio. Really nice, cozy space. Okay, so we're done with the patio. We're gonna go head over to the secondary bedrooms. Let's go see those. All right, just past the dining and the kitchen is our secondary hallway. We have bedroom 2 and 3, and then we have a closet right here. It's your linen, hallway linen. And then to the right, just your standard bedroom with double door on that closet. Lots of nice organizational opportunities in there. And then back down the hall, there's your Lennox thermostat hall bathroom. So this is just another great example of a standard hall bathroom with us. We have a 3 cm granite round or oval undermount sink, chrome fixture there. We did obscure that window. That's not standard, but it's a nice feature. And then we have the LED disc light that vents to the exterior. Nice tile surround on this tub shower combo. And then take a look at this tub. If you're used to the steel tubs, those are a little bit more shallow. This is a fiberglass and it's deeper. And from what they've told me is it's going to keep the water warmer as well, as opposed to that steel. So that's a standard tub for us. And let's go check out that last bedroom. Okay, just another standard bedroom for us. This window overlooks the park. And then it has a good size walk-in closet. Okay, so you've been waiting the whole video. We're in the kitchen now. I've kept you in suspense, but I wanted to save the best for last. This is the standard kitchen on this Louie floor plan. So this is what $350,000 will buy you here in Yukon. We have wood look tile. We have stainless steel Frigidaire appliances. This is a gas slide-in range. We have stainless steel undermount sink here on this 2 cm quartz countertop. And then we have this Kohler Crew chrome faucet there with the pull-out. And then this button here is our garbage disposal button. So nice, sleek, flat island. Great for entertaining. So you can put your little buffet here for people to go around the island and graze. Also, it's a great breakfast spot for the kiddos sitting there as you make pancakes. We do have a nice dishwasher there. Your fridge would slide in right there. I can imagine your Keurig or your Nespresso over there as your little coffee area. We do have the walk-in pantry. What a great pantry. Put your KitchenAid mixer in there as well, all the food storage, put them in cute little baskets and make it really nice and organized looking. So like I said, this is a gas stove. I love cooking on gas stoves. I don't really cook on electric. I've heard gas is a lot better to work with. So we have that here for those who like to get pretty fancy in the kitchen. You have the microwave over the range. Nice big microwaves. It also has the light, which is the night light in my house. Take a look at this tile. It's like a subway tile, but it has like an antiqued or an aged look to it. So that's really different. Okay friends, so that wraps up the tour of this Louie floor plan in Yukon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.